Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, how many ounces are in a cup?
There are 8 ounces in a cup.
Alexa, dim the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
You have 3 events scheduled.
Alexa, play Catastrophe.
Here's Catastrophe.
I don't want to get too ripped on day one.
What's happening with you and Sharon?
Alexa, open Alto's Adventure.
Here's Alto's Adventure.
Frankie fell asleep holding a potato. Little weirdo.
Alexa, pause. Alexa, resume.
Do you want me to make you something?
Technology has helped us work hard. Now, it can help us play even harder. Introducing our most advanced tablet yet, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Get straight to work on our biggest screen ever, with space to work on multiple things and meet with multiple people. Get typing with the new advanced keyboard with a larger touchpad and full-function keys. It's like working on a laptop, but without the laptop. Note smoother with the all-new S Pen that comfortably fits your grip and writes at your speed, just like a real pen, but smarter. Speaking of smart, Audio Bookmark lets you sync audio to the notes you take.
Materials, we should go with metal and glass.
And moving them is as simple as this. Done. Now, it's time to play. With Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, hyperfast 5G, and the fastest processor in a Galaxy Tab, you can play over 100 games on our biggest screen. Then chill out harder with an intelligent battery, an optimized screen ratio, and an ultra-low blue light that takes care of your eyes, so you can keep on watching. From its premium metal design and slick book cover to its thin profile and multiple color options, the all-new Tab S7 Plus is here to work hard and play even harder.
Paper is an exceptional tool for thinking. It lets your mind roam freely, without restrictions. It lets you focus, without distractions. But what if paper were given digital powers? Introducing the next generation paper tablet. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Meet Remarkable 2. A revolutionary new way to take notes, read, and review documents with a paper feel never experienced before on a digital device. Now even faster, thinner, smarter, and with 2 weeks of battery life. State-of-the-art components carefully arranged and encased in a precision-machined aluminium frame enable an extremely compact assembly. Remarkable 2 is the world's thinnest tablet. Our unique paper-like display has been redesigned from the ground up, resulting in the second-generation Canvas display, now twice as fast as its predecessor. Millions of ink particles are precisely controlled for instant response and an unmatched writing experience. Traditional displays constantly radiate light through millions of luminous pixels. In contrast, the Canvas display simply reflects natural light, making it wonderfully gentle on the eyes. It even makes that familiar sound. Remarkable 2 brings digital powers to your notes and printouts without sacrificing the feel of paper. Convert your handwriting into text. No more typing up your meeting notes. Transfer PDFs and ebooks and write directly on the page. No more printing or carrying heavy documents. All your work is instantly synced to the cloud and readily available on your phone and laptop. With a completely new display technology and a beautiful paper-thin design, Remarkable 2 is the most advanced paper tablet ever, designed to make paper and thinking even better. In a world of social media, notifications and pop-ups, we created Remarkable to help you focus. No distractions, just you and your thoughts. Remarkable. Better paper, better thinking.